We've all been there. You're facing a major life choice, a career pivot, a big investment, or a move across the country, and your brain feels like it has 50 browser tabs open at once. You try to think it through, but instead, you just end up overthinking. We're told AI is the future of intelligence, but if you just ask a standard chatbot, "What should I do?" you get generic, safe advice that doesn't actually help. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually use AI as a high-level thinking partner to strip away bias and make decisions with total clinical clarity. The biggest mistake people make with big decisions is trying to solve them while they are in an emotional red zone. When we're stressed, our brains default to cognitive biases. We fall for the sunk cost fallacy, staying in bad situations because we've already invested time. Or we fall for confirmation bias, only looking for info that proves what we already want to do. To make a world-class decision, you don't need more information. You need a better filter. The first way to use AI effectively is for perspective expansion. Before you decide, you need to see the problem from angles you're naturally blind to. Instead of asking the AI for an answer, ask it to play roles. Ask it, what would a ruthless pragmatist say about this? What would an empathetic coach say? What would a contrarian find wrong with my logic? This breaks your circular thinking and forces you to see the blind spots in your own reasoning. Great leaders don't just guess. They use frameworks. You can use AI to apply specific mental models to your situation. Try the 10-10-10 rule. How will you feel about this decision in 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years? Or use Inversion. Instead of asking how to succeed, ask the AI to help you list every possible way this decision could fail. This is called a pre-mortem, and it's the secret weapon of the world's best CEOs. Finally, use AI to detect your own biases. Feed the AI your current reasoning and ask it, what logical fallacies or emotional biases am I exhibiting in this paragraph? It's like having a neutral third-party consultant looking over your shoulder. When you remove the emotional noise, the right path usually becomes obvious. If you want to move beyond basic prompts and actually use a professional-grade framework for your next big move, you should check out DecisionsMatter.ai. It's a structured tool that walks you through these mental models and bias checks automatically, giving you a clear, data-backed verdict so you can stop guessing and start deciding. Think clearly, decide boldly.